Hey there, welcome to Everyday Wits. Our channel is all about how we propagate and sell plants in our small backyard wholesale nursery. If that sounds like something that interests you, feel free to subscribe. It's gone autumn here, and one of the most popular plants that we sell at this time of year is Nandinus. And one of the questions people ask is, how do you get them to go red? Well, the first answer is it's just simply the cold makes them go red. So you can see the tops of these where they've been exposed to the cooler nights are quite red. If I hop in here and pull out down the bottom, you can see the leaves are still quite green, and that's just because it's warmer down there. And on tops the leaves are more exposed to the cold. And another thing that we do to make sure that they're nice and red come the autumn and the winter time is we stop feeding them in early summer. You can see these are younger ones, the same variety, and they've got still plenty of nutrient there in the soil, so they're actively growing, and most of their foliage is that limey or the green colour. There is some red tips just because of the cold nights, but mostly they're staying quite a lot greener than these guys. Anyway, so that's just sort of how they go red. Hope that helps some people out. All right, see ya.